How many are the possible outcomes? We need a face card, right? How many face cards are there in a deck? Yeah, there are 12 face cards. So, possible outcomes are 12. Probability. Favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. What is the favorable outcome here? 12 by 52 is the total number of outcomes. Here it is in probability. We can write here. Yeah, this is in probability for getting a face card. Like that, if I removed a set, a single set I have removed, that means I removed 13 cards. Then how many total number of outcomes will be there? Come on, calculate. If I removed 13 from 52, how many will be there? $39 will be there, right? Yeah. In this 39, I want a red one. I want a red color card. Then what is the probability here? See, I have removed the red diamonds here. Red diamonds I have removed from the set. I have removed the red diamonds. I want the red hearts. From these 39, I want the red hearts. When I am shuffling and shuffling and shuffling and shuffling, what is the probability for getting a red card? I mean a red heart. Yeah. How many red hearts are there? 13, right? Yeah. Probability is, possible outcomes are 13. And what is the total number of outcomes here? 39. Why? In the first round we have 52. Then how it became 39? Because we have removed a set here, right? Yeah, we have removed a set from these cards. So, 39 is the total number of outcomes. 13 by 39 is the probability for getting a red heart from this set. Like that, I have another simple question here. Think that there are some bulbs which we use in our daily lives, bulbs. So, think that there are 20 bulbs. In 20 of them, 4 are damaged. Think that 4 are damaged bulbs. And now they are mixed up. I mean the damaged one and the good ones all are mixed up. Now I want the good one. The good bulb I want to fix it in my room. So, what is the probability for getting a good bulb? Yeah, in them of the 20 bulbs, 4 are damaged. The remaining are good ones, right? Yeah, the 16 are good ones. 16 bulbs are there, the good ones. And the total are 20. Yeah, 16 by 20 is the probability for getting the good one. And for damaged one, I want a damaged one. I want to remove the damaged one from it. So, how many chances are there for getting a damaged one? There are 4 chances. 4 by 16 is a probability. The probability is 4 by 16. Why? Because there are 4 damaged ones and the total are 20. So, 4 by 20 is the probability. How many are the damaged ones? 4 damaged ones and there are 20 bulbs. So, 4 by 20 is the probability. Now, I have removed 2 bulbs from the bunch and in them one is good one and another one is damaged one. I have bring it out and I have put aside them. Then how many bulbs will be there? Yeah, there are 18. The good ones are 15 and the damaged ones are only 3 because I have removed a good one and a damaged one. So, the total number of outcomes are 18 and 15 are good and 3 are bad, I mean damaged ones. So, what is the probability for getting a damaged one? Yeah, 3 by 18. That means 1 by 6th is a probability, right? When we calculate that, 3 by 18 is equal to 1 by 6th. Like that, we can find some probabilities in our daily lives. In our daily lives, can you think that how it is used in our daily lives? Let me see how it is used in our daily lives. Yeah, every day we are wake up in the early morning. Think that we are wake up every day at 4:30. We have habituated it. Yeah, wake up in the early morning 4:30 is a habituate for us. So, then what is the chance, for example, today also you have wake up at 4:30 and what is the chance for wake up in tomorrow? Yeah, of course you will wake up because it is habituated for us and it have the more chances. You have the more chances for wake up in 4:30 for tomorrow. So, this type is more likely, right? This is more likely probability. So, in our daily life activities also we are using this probability. The probability is very easy topic in mathematics as we compared with our daily life activities. When we see that in our daily life activities it is so easy. When we think that it is hard, it is so hard. When we think it is easy, it is easy. So, I think friends, you have understood that the probability is so easy by seeing this. I mean by seeing the activities and the works and the formulas, and by learning this you had think that probability is so easy to us to do. And I am going to show you another example here. This jar have some marbles. Can anyone count this? Yeah, count it. There are 1, 2 and 4 yellows, 2 greens and 3 blue ones. Yeah, total how many are there? 4 yellows, 2 greens and 3 blues. 4, 7, 9. Total 9 marbles are there in the jar. Now I'm doing this activity here. Just watch. I'm closing my eyes and I'm going to mix it up. Now I have picked out a random one. I think that which color it will be get. Can anyone say which color it was? Now I am going to see. I didn't say up to now. Now I am going to see. Yeah, I got the yellow one. Because it have more chances to get the yellow one here. 4 by 9 is a probability for getting an yellow one here, and for the green one 2 by 9 and for the blue one 3 by 9. When we pick it out randomly, the more chances we will have for yellow, because the more amount possible outcomes are yellow. So, when I am going to do this activity, we cannot say that yeah this will come exactly, that this will come exactly, we cannot say. But we have the chances, that means we can say that the more times it will come, maybe the chances will have, it is just a guess, the more chances it will have to come. For example, there is no red marbles in the jar. When I am going to try and again and again. I am trying a lot of times, 100 times, 1000 times I am trying. But it will not getting a red one. Why it will not get? Because there is no chance at all. There is no chance for getting a red one here. Why? Because there is no red marble in the jar. There is no red marble in the jar. So that's why there is no chance for getting it. If I tried a lot of times also, I didn't get, because there is nothing. So I have explained you which type of probability it is. Yeah, it is impossible likely probability. Exactly, it is impossible likely probability. Then in the activity I have bring the yellow one, right? So yellows are more in the jar. So which type of probability it is? I think you are right. It is more likely probability, because there are more chances for getting an yellow one. So it have more likely probability. Yeah, then this is a deck. I have already said you that this is a deck. There are more number cards in the deck. Why? Because as we see the face cards, there are 3 face cards and 1 egg, and remaining remaining up to 9, 2 to 10, 9 cards are number cards. When I am going to shuffle and shuffle, what is the probability for getting a number card? Yeah, there are more chances for getting a number card. Why? Because there are more number cards. In each set we have 9 number cards. When we have seen the 4 hearts, spades, diamonds and clubs, all these 4 categories we have seen, then the more number is number cards. So 9, 9, 9, 9. 36 cards are there. From 52, 36 cards are there in number cards. So when we pick it out randomly also, there is a chance for getting a number card more. Now I am going to pick it up here, one card here. I am mixing it, look at properly, I am mixing this card and I am going to pick a card from the middle. Yeah, what I have got here? I didn't say up to now what it is. Yeah, it is a face card. That means it is just a chance. It have some more than equal, it have more than equal chances but we cannot say it exactly will be face card. Maybe the next one will be which type of card? Yeah, it is a number card. So, in all of them number cards will have more chances for getting. Why? Because more number is there. And my question, I have a question here. There are 100 marbles in a box. In them 50 white and 20 are pink and 15 are yellow, 10 green and 5 black marbles are there. When I remove the damaged 10 marbles, in them 80% white and 20% black are there. Now, what is the probability for getting a white one, or what is the probability for getting a black one? Can we find out? Yeah, we have to remove the damaged ones. 80% are there, that means 8 marbles, and 20% are there, that means 2 marbles. We have to remove from 50 we have to remove 8 white marbles, and from 5 blacks we have to remove 2 marbles. As we compare to 10 marbles, 80% is 8, 20% is 2, 50 white. So, we have to remove 8, that means 42 whites are there, and 5 blacks we have to remove 2, that means 3 blacks are there. Now, what is the total number of outcomes here? 90, because we have removed 10 marbles, 10 damaged marbles we have removed. So, 100 minus 10 equals to 90. So, for getting white 42 by 90 is the probability, and for getting black 3 by 90 is the probability. Now, friends, I am going to conclude that probability is a chapter which we use in our daily lives. Yeah, it will be used in our everyday lives, everyday activities we are using the probability here. But we do not know it is probability. We are saying that in the first beginning I have said about cricket. So, without knowing probability also we can say that there are half of chances. There are half of chances. Without knowing probability also we have said that there are half of chances. So, we are using probability here, but we do not know. It is probability. It is said as probability. I think friends, now you all of them will know about probability, and you are very learned, I mean you are very eager to do the sums in probability. I think so. Not only in the textbook problems, you have to try in your daily life problems. The mathematics is mainly to understand the conceptual, not the reading textbook and not writing the problems in textbook, not doing that. You have to try your own. That is critical thinking. Yeah. We have to think problems in our own, and we have to do problems in our own. Then the concept in the chapter will gain more. So, friends, if you have any doubt on this topic, please interact with me. Now, I am going to say in which situations the probability is used. Yeah, we have said about wake up in the early morning, right, and using the bulbs. When we are using the bulb also, there is probability we are using, and when we are picking something from the jar like this, and I have shown you a jar of marbles, right. Yeah, here also we are using. When, yeah, I think I have a phone call here. Hello? Hello, friend.
100 toss, 100 times.
Hi, Swero.
Hello.
Who's that?
Hi, I'm Shilpa Saro of Gauli Reddy.
Yeah, friend. Tell me, what's your doubt?
What is the probability of getting when we toss in 10 coins?
10 coins.
100 coins at a time.
100 coins at a time. What is the total number of
coins?
Yeah, 100 coins. If you tossed 100 coins, what is the probability? What is the probability?
Hello.
Hello.
What is the possible outcomes of 100 coins?
Possible outcomes, total possible outcomes, right? Yeah, friend. See, look at here. You have said that 100 outcomes, 100 coins where we toss at a once. So, how many sides are there? How many sides are there for a coin? 2 sides. So, 2. How many objects you are saying? There are 100. So, 2 to the power of 100 is the total number of outcomes. If you calculate this, we will get more and more outcomes here. So, we have to just substitute in the formula and we have to solve it, then we will get the total number of outcomes. Yeah, the formula we must be, that means x to the power of n. X refers to the number of objects and x refers to the number of sites and n refers to the number of objects. Clarified, sir? I think so. And yeah, we are discussing about how probability is used in our daily lives. So, I think I have another call here. Hello, hi Swero. Hello.
Swero.
Hi Swero, how are you?
This is Preeti from Vaira.
Okay, friend, tell me what's your doubt?
I have a doubt, Swero.
Yeah, what's that?
If we toss 3 coins at a time,
Yeah.
what is the probability for getting a 2 heads and 1 tail?
2 heads and 1 tail. So I am going to say here 3 coins. She said about 3 coins. So, what is the total number of outcomes for 3? There are 2 sides, 2 to the power of 3. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 8 are there. Total outcomes are 8. So, to clarify your doubt, we need to write the total number of outcomes here. What are there? Coin 1, coin 2 and coin 3. Head, head, head. There is a chance. Head, head, tail. There is another chance. And head, tail, head. This is a chance. Head, tail, tail. There are 4 chances. When the first coin will get head. And next 4 are, we got 8, right? So, we need to write the 8 chances here. First, second and the third. Tail, tail, tail. Tail, tail, head. Tail, head, tail. Tail, head. Yeah, we have written here the 8 outcomes, right? You have said that 2 tails and 1 head. So, here are 2 tails and 1 head, and here also 2 tails and 1 head, and here also 2 tails and 1 head. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. How many are there? For getting 2 tails and 1 head, 1, 2 and here is a 3. So, out of 8, 3 chances have. Probability is 3 by 8 is a probability for getting 2 heads and a tail. I think friend you have clarified this doubt. I think so. We need to write the total outcomes first and then we have to choose the which one is belongs to us and getting chance, and then we have to substitute in the formula. Then we will get the total number of outcomes and also possible outcomes for probability. Yeah, we are I'm going to conclude that it is how many, the probability is used in our daily lives. So, we have to learn mathematics in a conceptual manner, not in a buttifying method or when the teacher has came. I think I have another phone call here.
Hello.
Hello, hi Swero. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi
Hello,
Swero.
Swero. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, very good afternoon. What's your name?
Swero.
Yeah?
This
What?
is Soundarya Swero from Bellampalli School.
Yeah? Tell me what's your doubt?
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Friend. Hello, friend. Can we use
Yeah.
the probability in our biological process, friend?
Yeah. Why not? We will use it in everywhere. Why? Because when we are doing an activity here, we can use, for any activity we can use a probability. We can say that the chances may come. For example, you are feeling so tired and you have lot of headache and you are feeling so uneasy and your body temperature is increasing. Then you can say that I have a chance for getting a fever. So, here is a chance, but we don't know what is the exact chance value. But we have a chance here, we know the chance for getting a fever. So, for getting chance, the chances of an activity or the feeling and the things which happen, the chance is called probability. But there is no, for we have doing an activity, some of them will doesn't have any exact value, but it have probability. I think you have clarified about it. Now friends, we have to learn not only probability, for any chapter also we have to learn conceptual way. Then we can easily remember mathematics, and mathematics is so important in our life. So when we went to a shop or anywhere, we use mathematics for by calculation also, for anything also we will use mathematics. So I think many of the students will have phobia of mathematics, I think so. So to avoid this, our Operation Einstein has came. Our Operation Einstein is related to how the students are fearing about the mathematics and how to decrease it. So when we are learning by these activities and by this conceptual manner, we didn't forget probability in our lives. Not only probability, in mathematics also we can easily remember and we can easily apply in our daily life activities also. If we learn in the classroom and we went out of the classroom and we are not using it, then what is the value? When we are not comparing to others, I mean other situations, we are not using it in other situations, then what is the value of it? So my conclusion is that friends, learn mathematics by conceptual and activity based. Thank you friends.